The goal for today is to assemble an aluminum skeleton inside the robot from these aluminum and stainless steel parts to increase the robot's overall strength. The first step would be to just completely disconnect and remove the electronics so that we just have enough space to install the skeleton. Now there are multiple pieces and also multiple hole widths, diameters, so we'll need to use a variety of screws, but that's not gonna be a problem. The assembling part took way longer than I anticipated it would. I was drilling those holes and cutting pieces by hand, so I was afraid of them not matching and not being exactly where they should be compared to the 3D printed body. And that's exactly what happened. I had to re-drill better half of all holes, making the whole assembly process way longer than it should have been. And also the confined space inside the robot made it extremely hard to try to tighten all those washers and bolts, but ultimately in the end I was successful. After about 1 or 2 hours I'm finished assembling it. I had a bit of a problems with this part of the robot. I even added the connectors so I don't have to reassemble it. And I actually totally forgot about when designing this top part. I totally forgot about the dimensions of these connectors. That's why these holes, they should be connected. There should be 2 screws, one there and another one there, but the connector is blocking them. That's something I'm gonna need to change in the next version. Otherwise it looks pretty good. Here's one piece, another one, and here are these tubes that basically connect this side to this side. And the biggest difference is probably the wobbling motion. The thing that when the aluminum skeleton wasn't installed, you could literally like push on the robot from this side and from this side, and when you push at the same time, the body actually collapses and like collapses into inwards. But then you could also push or pull from this side and also the other side at once, and the body would expand, and that's something you really don't want. It's really important so that the body stays stationary, it doesn't expand and just, stays rigid, and that's exactly what these pipes will do. You can even, right now when the top part is not connected, you can even hold it like so, because it's pretty strong and works really great. Right, so now we're basically finished. I just need to assemble it, and that's that. So thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and bye bye.